Step one is identifying and rating the issue. If you haven't already, please have a copy of the DIY tapping worksheet in front of you as we walk through these steps together. And I invite you to choose an actual issue you'd like to work with. The first step in this process is to figure out what you want to work on. This can be anything from a tight feeling in your shoulders to feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, or even just bored. Whatever comes up, write it in the space for it on your worksheet in step one. Write the issue down in a way that it points out the problem in its negative form so that you can measure it. It will make sense as you continue through the steps. Try to keep the issue to a specific feeling or situation. Here are some examples of more specific situations. I feel upset at my boss for criticizing me today. I don't feel like exercising today. I feel angry about the way my sister spoke to me yesterday. I'm upset that my house is a mess. I'm procrastinating today about a specific task. I feel stressed out right now about my upcoming test. I feel sad that my back hurts and I can't go for a bike ride. I'm confused about an upcoming decision that I need to make. Once you've chosen your issue and written it down, think about how much this bothers you. It could be barely noticeable, or it might be quite intense. You can think about the problem or issue and even say it out loud to really get into it to bring up the feeling. Give the intensity of the feeling a number on a scale from 0 to 10, where 10 is the most intense. You can use your own scale if 0 to 10 doesn't resonate with you or work for you, but if you do this, do your best to be consistent with it as you continue rating through the process. You'll learn more about other types of rating scales later in the product. The purpose of rating before and after is to measure your progress and to make sure that the issue is cleared. It's a really helpful part of the system. If you're having trouble rating your statement, you might need to play around with it a little bit to make sure that it's measurable on the rating scale. For example, if it's a positive statement and the rating seems reversed, like a 10 would mean no intensity, see if you can change the statement to its opposite. If it makes more sense with whatever you're working on, you can use the rating scale in reverse so that the 10 actually represents no intensity. And this will start to make sense as you practice.